So today, guys, we're going to make a refreshing salad. It's called Salpicon. I saw a girl eating it and I was like, I have to make that. She made it look so good. So to start off, you're going to shred you up some lettuce. You're going to add that to a big bowl. Then slice you up some tomatoes, cucumbers. Now I love Persian cucumbers, but you can use whatever cucumber you have. Then you want to thinly slice some red onion. Now when it comes to the red onion, you can just add it in raw or you can pickle it. I chose to pickle it, and to pickle it, you just add it to some vinegar, lemon juice, and salt and pepper. And you just let that sit for a few minutes until it gets nice and soft. You want to go ahead and throw that in the bowl. And then you want to thinly slice you up some jalapeño. Now traditionally, salpicon is made with boiled shredded beef. I didn't have like a roast or anything, and I wanted to make this pretty quickly. So I went ahead and took this shaved beef. I cut it down even more, nice and thin strips, and I just quickly fried it in a little bit of olive oil. I added some onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, like some Mexican seasonings, and I let it cool down to room temperature, and then I went ahead and added that in. I chopped me up some cilantro, added some salt and pepper. Now for the dressing, it's super easy. You want to take 2 big juicy lemons, and you're going to go ahead and juice them. And then you're going to add in some vinegar. You want to drizzle in some olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, and some red pepper flakes, which is optional. You want to give that a good shaking. Now you're also going to need some crispy corn tortilla shells. You can either fry them or just buy them already crispy out of the store. Now you're going to drizzle your dressing over everything, and you're going to give it a good toss. You guys, this salpicon salad was so good. It's so refreshing. Savory, it's tangy, it's spicy, it's so good, and it's not heavy at all. You just want to keep eating it and eating it. I topped it with some Tapatio, some queso fresco, cilantro, some sour cream. So good, you guys. Yum.